love skateboarding. Because skateboarding is so sick. Skateboarding saved my life.
Before those waves break your sails and your shadow turns to a ghost. A pound of flesh for the sins, light a candle for the dead. When I leave this place I won't be back again.